All right. Please state your first name.
Kay.
All right, Kay. What symptoms first brought you to Palmetto Physical Medicine?
Lower back, weakness, stiffness, some pain, spasms,
Yeah.
and neck weakness.
Neck weakness. Okay. Well, how severe were your symptoms when you first came in from our little scale of 0 to 10?
It wasn't as much pain as it was pretty severe difficulty in moving. You know, the mobility just wasn't there.
Yes.
If you gave me that mobility scale, it would be up around 6 or 7 as a difficulty.
Okay.
But it wasn't truly painful.
Okay. Okay. Well, how was that problem affecting your life day to day?
Yes. Every day with just about everything I did. Yard work was, I couldn't do any yard work anymore. Lifting my grandson was out of the question. I even had to stop watching him for a couple of weeks while I, got back to some normalcy.
Yeah.
That hurt the most. And even things like carrying the laundry basket from the back of the house to the front. I had to think about how I was lifting it, maybe emptying some of it out and then putting it back in before I could finish taking it from one end of the house to the other.
So something even that simple.
Yes.
Okay. Well, what kind of services did you receive when you started care with us?
The consultations first,
Yeah.
which through Tarna and Dr. Hanner and Julie, with the OT, looking at my x-rays she really showed me where the problems could be coming from and helped me understand a little more of what was going on. And then Dr. Hanner sort of rounded that out with telling me how the mechanisms work in making those tight and kind of pinched.
Yeah.
And the ultrasound, I didn't expect it to make a difference, but it really has.
Absolutely.
The adjustments have been wonderful.
A little bit of rehab, was that what came along with the ultrasound?
Exactly.
Okay.
And that core strengthening, I thought I was doing that right at home, but I wasn't.
Okay.
So all of that combined has been a tremendous package
Outstanding.
toward how it feels when I get up in the morning to how I go about my day. It's all made such a difference.
Awesome. Did you get any deep tissue massage while you were here as well?
Yes.
Ooh, is that one of your
That's
favorites?
been wonderful. Yes. And the TENS unit has
Okay.
been helpful. I already had the back brace, so I didn't have to get a new one, but the back brace at first was a key.
Outstanding. Okay. Well, what has your experience overall been like here at Palmetto?
Tremendous. Everyone has been so professional, so helpful. That it's been such a holistic package. It wasn't just, here's medication, hope you feel better. It was, here's what we can do for you and what you can do for yourself to actually feel like I'm healing rather than just masking symptoms.
Great.
That's been tremendous.
Great. Well, how has it changed your life since you've been coming
Right.
here?
I kept my grandson this past weekend
Yeah.
for the whole weekend. And before, it would have been a recuperation just due to all the activity and the lifting and the caring for him.
Yeah.
I was tired, but I didn't have any pain.
Outstanding. Outstanding. Well, would you recommend us to your friends or family?
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely. In fact, I have.
Outstanding. All right.
I've been very, very impressed.
Thank you so much, Kay. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Great.
That was great.
You
Thank
made that
so
easy.
much. I really appreciate that.
Sure. Thank you.
All
I hope
right.
it's something you can use.
Absolutely. I think it is. We actually get Dr. Hanner to kind of